Philippines. Idol Kids Philippines, a golden ticket holder. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Kiko! Idol Kids Philippines, am I right?
Yes po.
Okay, grabe. And that's how we also get the golden ticket, everyone. At meron pa kaming aabangan, Kiko, for your journey sa Idol Kids Philippines. Kailan ang iyong next performance para alam nila at mapanood ka nila on time?
Wala pa po kasing event na mangyayari. Pero po, abangan nyo na lang po ako sa susunod pa po na laban. Tuloy-tuloy lang po.
Alright, Kiko, let's know that we are very proud of you, the Rock Republic family, and everybody right here. Everyone, palakpakan naman po natin, the one and only Kiko, and congratulations on your journey with Idol Kids Philippines. You very deserve that golden ticket. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, so